In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the colour of the candles on TradingView. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So guys, as you can see, I am on TradingView, and first of all, what I'm going to go ahead and do is just open up a new chart. So to do this, you will need to go ahead and click on this button here, and then click on New Chart Layout. And then what you will have, if you are using TradingView for the first time, is you'll have this chart here, but more than likely, you will be on the light colour theme. So what you need to go ahead and do if you want to change the colour of the candles, you can go to the settings cog right here in the top right corner. And then as you can see on the chart settings, there is an option for symbol, which will be highlighted straight away once you click on the settings. So if you want to go ahead and change the colour of the candles, what you can do is you can click on the green candle and you can change it to blue, or you can go ahead and click on the red candle and you can change it, for example, to yellow. And then you can also go ahead and change the borders, so you can go ahead and make the borders white or black, whichever you like. And then you can go ahead and do the same for the other candle. And then you can also change the colour of the wicks, so you can go ahead and make them white, or you can make them purple, whichever colour you want to go ahead and make it stand out a little bit on your chart. So that's how you go ahead and change the colour of your candles, guys. It's super simple, super easy. So if this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.